All right, so you are ready to take your desktop version of your Smart Notebook file and put that up in the cloud into suite.smarttech.com. So if you click on that link or type in suite.smarttech.com, once you get there, you can log in with your Microsoft account or your Google account, and then you'll see all of the lessons that you've added. So these are the ones that I've added throughout the year. And the ones that people have shared with me will show up as well. So to grab my notebook file, I just click on the plus sign, and I can import from my device. And I'm going to go to the desktop where I put it, and let's see. There we go. So open up that practice file that you just did. And now you'll notice the exact same activity right here, and I could just share this on the smartboard like I normally would do a lesson. If I'm finished editing, I can click finish editing, and now that lesson is right there.